All right, welcome back to the shop. So, in today's video of why are we not working on the Lodestar, or what is wrong with the why are we not finishing up the Jeep to go on vacation, we got this project. So this is my daughter's Jeep, and it went to a limp mode last week, and I ran to the Harbor Freight and picked up a scanner. Not sponsored by, but this is the scanner we bought. It's the Zurich OBD2 code reader, the ZR4S. I think it was like, I don't know, 60 bucks. So it says that there's a transmission pressure sensor that's low, so maybe the sensor's bad, maybe it's not. Maybe the transmission needs a filter. Hopefully it's not the control module in it. So we're going to swap that out and get her back on the road. Here's all the ATF we bought. I think it says it holds 5.3 quarts. So I got a gallon. There's 5 quarts, and then the little extra bonus. Here's the pressure sensor part. It's focus. It's a Dorman 601-217. And then here's the transmission filter. FK361. And so it also, with this, it comes with the filters. It comes with the filter, an O-ring. Let's get it out of here. Back this up. Filter. There's an O-ring in here, or was when I was at O'Reilly's. Boop. Boop. O-ring. Should go right there, not to lose that. And the pan gasket. So, I did get me a new drip pan. Hopefully we can catch it all, because if you don't know, I hate the smell of transmission fluid, especially old transmission fluid. So, we'll put that to use. All right, I'm gonna put this phone camera down and then put y'all on time lapse. I'll slow it back down. This pan off. And so far, everything I've looked at online, every time somebody pulls a pan, it makes a big mess. So, and I do not want that, but I may have to suck it up, buttercup. All right, I got the pan off. So it didn't have a gasket on it. It had like a silicone on it, and this is what's left of it. It's pretty roached. But I'll clean it up later. What gets me, so here's the magnet. The magnet's got graphite all over it. I mean, it's pretty crusty. So I have to get all that cleaned up. But what gets me is these bubbles. It's like somebody painted. I mean, they're hard. It's like somebody, I don't know what that is. It's bubbles of something like, I don't know if it's some kind of sealer that somebody dumped in the transmission. Is it the paint acting up with bubbles under it? I don't know. I'm gonna clean it all out of there. All right, back to it. All right, it was no easy chore, but I got the pan off, and those back bolts back there, let me tell you, that was a chore, but I got them. So I'm gonna go let it drain just a little bit more, and I'm gonna go get the new filter and get it on here. All right, this is probably gonna be another messy part, but use the T25 star bit. Took out the screws, these screws that were holding the filter on, and I'm gonna pop that filter off. See how big of a mess that's gonna make. Then I will pop on the new one. Just pull straight down, right? Oh, I don't mind letting more fluid out. There we go. I'm just gonna leave that in the pan and we'll get it out later. Horns on it. I don't know how far it goes up in there. So I'm gonna put screws to it. Whew, that was close. Almost lost a bit in the tank. Oh, I'm losing the light, guys. All right, it's on there. Now let me get to the pan. All right, guys, here's the ash from the pan. I wire wheeled most of it off that I could, and then wiped it down with some acetone, cleaned it up real good. So got all the gasket, old silicone off of most of the edges. So I think we're good. We're gonna send it. All right. You see, now I was having trouble with the gasket sticking. Well, I watched some, I think it was Fab Rats. They showed me where you could go and put some grease on the gasket seal. Maybe it was them. I don't know. It'll hold that gasket in place. She's not struggling with it like I was. All right, it's all back together. So hopefully that's a win for us. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Again, this will be only on the new channel, so Smoking Roux Garage. Thanks for watching.
You a big YouTube star doesn't mean you don't be answering the damn phone when I call. That's all I got to say about that.
So on a different note, I'm backing out, and all I see from outside is this trail of drippings that go out the door. Yeah, it's from the freaking AC.